Restores water repellency and DWR of technical softshell apparel and outerwear. Maintains fabric breathability. Spray on application. Recommended for Windstopper, Windbloc, Polartec, or any synthetic technical material with 4-way stretch. Water-based, biodegradable, and contains no PFCs, VOCs, optical brighteners, or added scent. Nikwax Softshell Proof Waterproofing restores water repellency and revives breathability of technical softshell garments. Top reviews from the United States. Works as well as you hope it would. This stuff is legit. I have a nice Canada Goose down jacket that I washed exactly according to the label directions but thought I had ruined. The first time wearing in the rain after washing it leaked like a sieve. Seriously, soaked shoulders and arms which had never happened previously. After treating once with this miracle juice it got a good testing and worked almost flawlessly. I only had a couple of tiny damp spots which were probably due to my lack of application skill. After retreating for a second time I am happy to report my jacket has been resurrected and is as good as new. This miracle juice is a bit runnier than I expected. I'd put a towel down first but it saved a $600 jacket and I'd definitely consider it a great purchase. Get you some.